Hi children, good morning everybody. Today our topic is functions chapter. Concept is there. Functional equations concept. This is functional equations concept. Okay, this is Somaras Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, listen carefully. This is very important concept. Okay, listen this one. F of x is equal to a power x by a power x plus a power n, then f of x plus f of 2n minus x equal to 1. This is the show that this one. Okay, this is the value is equal to 1. Okay, this is the proof. What is the proof? Here write this is f of x. F of x is equal to a power x by a power x plus a power n plus, here write in this place x plus is equal to 2n minus 1. Here a power 2n minus 2n minus x by, here x plus also a power 2n minus x plus a power n. Okay, this is same like that only. This is only have simplified this one. Okay, right here a power 2n into, right downside this one a power x into, here also a power 2n, this is also right downside equal to a power x plus a power n. Okay, simplify this one equal to a power 2n by a power x into, what is the LCM here, a power 2n plus a power n into a power x by a power x. This a power x is get cancelled. Here what is the common here, a power 2n by, what is the common here, a power n is the common. Here also a power n plus a power x. Okay, a power n, 1 a power n is cancelled. Okay, here a power n by a power n plus a power x, Okay, this is a power x, right? A power n plus a power x. What is the value this one? This is equal to a power n plus a power x. Okay, this is equal to, that implies a power x by right, as a power x by a power x plus a power n plus, this is right as a power n by this is also a power x plus a power n, right? A power x plus a power n. What is the LCM here? LCM is equal to a power x plus a power n. Okay, this is both are same only. This is also a power x plus a power n. Both are cancel equal to 1. Therefore, f of x plus f of 2n minus x equal to 1. Okay, this is the proof completed. Okay, this is f of x plus f of 2n minus x equal to 1. Okay, x plus f of 1 minus x means 2 into n value is equal to 1 by 2 minus x equal to what? Equal to 1. Means this is also 1 minus x equal to f of x plus f of 2 into 2 get cancel, 1 minus x equal to 1. This is the proof also same, x plus is equal to, right, as 1 minus x, you have right n minus x, so that is also same proof, only this one. Okay, next f of 1 by 18 plus f of 17 by 18 equal to also 1. Okay, this is one example. Okay, this is the 1 minus means 18 minus 17 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, this is f of x. This is case 11 power x by 11 power x plus 11 square. 11 square means what is the a value? A is equal to 11, n is equal to 2. What is the formula here? F of x plus f of 2n, 2 into n is equal to 4 minus x equal to 1. Okay, 4 minus x equal to 1. This is the 2n minus x. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, next is f of 4 minus x is equal to 1. Why? This is the 2n, 2 into 2 is equal to 4 minus x is equal to 1 only. Okay, understand this one. This is the n value. Here substitute the formula. What is the formula? F of x plus f of 2n minus x equal to 1. That is the formula. Okay, right. Okay, this is the question number 1. If f of x is equal to 2 power x by 2 power x plus root 2, x belongs to R, then summation of k is equal to 1 to 81, f of k by 82 equal to what? First option is equal to 81 by 2, second option is equal to 82, third option is equal to 41, fourth option is equal to 81 root 2. 81 root 2. What is the given function? Given function f of x is equal to 2 power x by 2 power x plus root 2, 2 power x plus root 2. Okay, here what is the formula? F of x plus f of 2n minus x equal to 1. 2n minus x equal to 1. What is the n value? What is the a value here? A is equal to 2. What is the n? N is equal to 1 by 2. N is equal to 1 by 2. Here write f of x plus f of 2n minus x equal to 1. Okay, f of x plus f of 2 into n is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus x equal to 1. Okay, 2 equal to cancel, equal to f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Next, here write f of k is equal to 1 to 81, f of k by 82 equal to 1 by f of 1 by 82 plus f of 1 by 2 by 82 plus so on plus f of, okay, this is simple of this one. Okay, here plus so on f of last term is equal to 81 by 82 and before term is equal to f of 80 by 82 and last term is equal to f of 81 by 82. Okay, both are at first term and last term equal to f of x plus f of 1 minus x. F of 1 minus x means 82 minus 81 means 1 by 82 only. F of x plus f of 1 minus x, that is also equal to 1. Next, this is also equal to 1. Okay, these both are mapping. This is also equal to 1. Next, what are the middle terms? Here middle terms is equal to how many terms are there here? Total terms is equal to k 1 to 81 means 82 terms. 82, half of the 82 is equal to what? Middle value equal to, what is the middle value? 41 by 82. This is the f of middle value plus f of 40 by 82. Next, this side also f of 42 by 82. 42 by 82. These both are mapping. These both are formula f of x plus f of 1 minus x formula. This is also 1 only. Okay, how many pairs are there here? Total, how many pairs are there? Total 40. 40 into 1. How many pairs are there? This one is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to so on plus this is also 1 pair, means this is the f of 1 by 2. This is the f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2. Okay, how many pairs are there here? Total, how many pairs? Total 81 by 82. 81 by 82. 1, 2. How many pairs are there? Total 40. 40 into 40, 80. Okay, 40. 40 into 1. This is 40 into 1. Next, plus f of 1 by 2 equal to what? F of 1 by 2 value. Okay, what is the f of 1 by 2? In x place is equal to, write 1 by 2. In x place is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2 right here. F of 1 by 2 plus this is also 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to, this is also 1 by 2 equal to 1. 1 by 2 equal to 1. This is 2 into f of 1 by 2. 2 into f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. F of 1 by 2 is equal to what? F of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 value is equal to 1 by 2. This f of 1 by 2 is equal to 40 into 1 is equal to 40. Please plus this is 1 by 2. 2 into this is, what is this one? 80. 80 plus 1. This is the 81 by 2. This is our answer. 81 by 2. 81 by 2 is our answer. Okay, understand? Copy this one. Okay, this is the question number 2. Suppose f maps R to R be a function defined f of x is equal to 2 into e power 2x by e power 2x plus e. Then f of 1 by 100 plus f of 2 by 100 plus f of 3 by 100 plus so on up to f of 99 by 100 equal to what? Okay, what is this one? First option is equal to 99, second option is equal to 100, third option is equal to 98, fourth option is equal to 97. What is the given f of x equal to? The f of x equal to what? F of x is equal to 2 into e power 2x by e power 2x by e power 2x plus e. E power 2x plus e. Okay, this is take as this part only. You have take this part. this part equal to g of x. You have to take the g of x. Okay, this is g of x. G of x is equal to e power 2x, e power 2x by e power 2x plus e. Okay, you have to take e power 2x. E power 2x means a is equal to e square. A is equal to e square, right? A is equal to e square. G of x is equal to a power x by, this is also a power x, e square equal to a is equal to e square means this is the a. This is the a. Okay, power equal to 1, n is equal to 1. Okay, this is n is equal to 1. Okay, what is the formula here? G of x plus g of 1 minus x equal to 1. 1 minus x equal to 1. What is this is f of x by 2. G of x is equal to f of x by 2. This is f of x by 2. F of x by 2 plus this is also same like that only. G of 1 minus x by 2 equal to 1. 1 minus x by 2 equal to 1. What is this f of x plus this is f of x plus f of x not g of f of x by 2. This is also f of 1 minus x by 2. This is also f of 1 minus x by 2. F of x plus f of 1 minus x by 2 equal to means this is the equal to 2. F of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 2. Okay, this is both are equal to 2 only. What is the given series equal to this one? Okay, write this one. Series equal to f of 1 by 100 plus f of 2 by 100 plus f of 3 by 100 plus up to so on plus f of 99 by 100. 99 by 100. Okay, what is the f of 1 by 100? This is f of 1 by 100, f of 99 by 100. F of x plus f of 1 minus x, that is equal to 2. This is equal to 2. Next is this before value, this one. Okay, before value and this one equal to totally this is also 2. Okay, up to so on like that. What is the middle term here? What is the middle value here? Total what is the total value? So total is equal to 99 means one add means 100 means 50. F 50 by 100. Okay, f of 50 by 100 and before value and after value both are 2 only, both are 2. Okay, up to so on these all are 2's plus 50 by 100 equal to this is f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2. 50 by 100 equal to this is f of 1 by 2. How many 2's are there here? Mapping how many 2's here? Totally 100 means 50. 50. Okay, total 100 means 49. 49. This is a 49. 49 into 2, 49 into 2, f of 1 by 2 value. What is the f of 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2? F of 1 by 2. What is the f of 1 by 2 value? 49 into 2, 9 2 are 18, 8, 9, 9 2 are 18, 2 4 are 8, 8 9, 98 plus f of 1 by 2. What is the f of 1 by 2 value? F of 1 by 2 means here write f of 1 by 2. In this case right here, f of 1 by 2. X plus is equal to 1 by 2, right? F of 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to, this is also f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 equal to 2. Equal to 2. F of 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into f of 1 by 2. 2 into f of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 get cancelled equal to f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. F of 1 by 2 equal to what? 1. Here right, f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. 98 plus 1 equal to 99 is our answer. 99 is our answer. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Okay, understand. Copy this one. Question number 3. This is 2025 PYQ. Let f of x is equal to 2 power x plus 2 plus 16 by 2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power x plus 4 plus 32. Then the value of 8 into f of 1 by 15, f of 1 by 2 by 15 plus so on up to f of 59 by 15. Okay, here what is the given function? Given function f of x is equal to 2 power x plus 2 plus 16 by 2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power x plus 4 2 power x plus 4 plus 32. 2 power x plus 4 32. Okay, this simplify this one. 2 power x plus 2 square equal to 4, right? Plus 16 equal to this is also 16, right? By 2 power x into 2 plus 2 power x 2 power 4 is equal to this is also 16 plus 32 equal to, what is the common here? 4 is the common. 4 is the common means 2 power x plus 4. 2 power x plus 4 by, here what is the common here? 2 is the common. here 2 is the common, 2 is the common means here 2 power x, 2 power x. Mistake, this is the 2 power 2x plus 1, 2 power 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the 2 power 2x plus 1. Here also 2 power 2x plus 1. Here also 2 power 2x plus 1 means 2. This is also 2 power 2x into 2. 2 is the common. 2 power 2x. Here also 2 power x plus 2 is the common means here 2 power x into means 8 into 2 power x. 8 into 2 power x. 8 into 2 power x plus here also 2 is the common means 16. 16. Okay, a square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square formula here, right? Okay, here 2 1s to 2's cancel, equal to 2 into 2 power x plus 4 by here also 2 power x plus 4 whole square, 2 power x plus 4 whole square. Okay, this is 1, this is 1 will cancel, here equal to 2 by 2 power x, 2 power x plus 4, 2 by 2 power x plus 4. Okay, this is the f of x, this is the given f of x. Okay, in this case here, right, what is the n value here, right? Okay, what is the a value and n value? 2 by f of x is equal to 2 by 2 power x plus this is 2 square. What is the a value? A is equal to 2 and n is equal to also 2. N is equal to also 2. What is the formula here? F of x plus n is equal to 2 means f of x plus f of 2n minus, 2n means 4 minus 1, 4 minus x equal to what? 4 minus x plus is equal to 4 minus x, right here. This is f of x plus is equal to 2 by 2 power x plus is equal to 4 minus x, 4 minus x plus 2 square means 4 equal to 2 by 2 power 4 is equal to 16 by 2 power x plus 4, 2 power x plus 4. The LCM, this is take upside means 2 into 2 power x by this is the 16 plus this is the 4 into 2 power x, 4 into 2 power x. Here 4 is the common, 2 cancel here. Okay, here 2 into 2 power x by 4 is the common, 4 plus 2 power x, 4 plus 2 power x, 2 1s to 2's cancel. Okay, this is 2 power x by 2 into 4 plus 2x, 2 power x 2 into 4 plus 2x. What is the value? This is 1 by 2 or not? Check once here. Here, right. Okay, first what is the f of x function is equal to 2 by 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4. What is the remaining value? Equal to plus 2 power x by 2 into this is also 2 power x plus 4, 2 into 2 power x plus 4. Okay, what is the common here? 2 by 2 power x plus 4 only common, 2 power x 2. What is the common here? 2 power x by 2 only. This is x 2 power x plus 4. Okay, right here 1 by 2 power x plus 4 is the common. This is 2. This is 2 power x by 2. 2 power x by 2. Here simplify this one. Here 2 power x plus 4. 1 by 2 power x plus 4. 4 plus 2 power x by 2. 2 power x by 2. 2 power x by 2. Okay, this is this one both are cancel, equal to 1 by 2. Therefore f of x plus f of x plus f of 4 minus x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. What are you asking the question? Okay, first term and last term both are add means 1 by 2 only. Okay, 1 by 2 only. Okay, write the question. This is the series 8 into this one. Okay, right. Question solve this one. This is the 1 by 2. Next, what is the given that? Given that question equal to 8 into f of 1 by 15 plus f of 2 by 15 plus so on plus f of 59 by 15. Okay, before value equal to what? Here before value f of 58 by 15 and plus f of 59 by 15. What is the middle values here? Middle values equal to, okay, first term and last term equal to 1 by 2. Next second term and this is also second term equal to 1 by 2. Next here, what is the middle term? How many terms are there here? Total 60 terms. 1 to 59 means 60 terms. 60 means half means 30 by 15. Here half means 30 by 15, f of 30 by 15 and after equal to f of 31 by 15, f of 31 by 15 before f of f of 29 by 15 before f of 20. This is also 1 by 2. Okay, this is only this one only. This is the f of 1 by 2 value. Okay, this is the f of 1 by 2. Okay, how many pairs are there here? 18 to pairs. How many pairs up to 60 means this is the 29 pairs. 29 into what is the value? This one equal to f of 1 by 2 equal 1 by 2. 21 pairs into 1 by 2. Next, this is the plus f of 1 by 2. What is the f of 1 by 2 value? Okay, what is the f of 1 by 2 value? Okay, substitute the f of 1 by 2 value is equal to what? Okay, simplify this one. 18 to 29 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2 equal to value is equal to what? So f of 2 only. This is the f of 2. What is the f of 2 value? F of 2 is equal to f of 2 plus f of 4 minus 2 equal to f of 2 equal to what? This is the 1 by 2. 1 by 2. F of 2 plus f of 2 is equal to 2 into f of 2 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. F of 2 is equal to what? F of 2 is equal to 1 by 4. F of 2 is equal to 1 by 4 right here. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. What is the LCM? 8 into LCM is equal to 4. This is the 2 into 28 means 60 means this is the 58. 58 plus this is the 1. This is the 59. Okay, 4 ones 4 2's cancel. Equal 2 into 59 is equal to 118. 2 into 59 is equal to 2 into 59 equal to 118. 118 is the our answer. 118 is the our answer. This is our answer. Okay, this is Somras, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, watch more videos, go to my channel and subscribe my channel and share my channel. Okay, thank you for your watching. Thank you.